In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch movies using Google Drive. This handy tool not only helps you store files, but also allows you to enjoy your favorite movies directly within the platform, making it a convenient option for movie lovers. Whether you're at home or on the go, these steps will guide you through accessing movies seamlessly. First, you'll want to start by accessing Google Drive. Open your web browser and type in the URL to navigate to the Google Drive homepage. Once you're on the Google Drive home screen, ensure that you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your Google credentials. Once you are logged in, you'll see the familiar layout of Google Drive where all your folders and files are displayed. Next, let's get you to find those movie files. Direct your attention to the top section of your Google Drive interface where you'll find the search bar. Click on it and you'll be able to type in specific queries. In this case, type videos into the search bar. By doing this, Google Drive searches through your stored files specifically for video content. It's a quick way to locate all video related files, saving you from manually sifting through folders. You'll soon see a list of videos appear beneath the search bar. Once your list is populated, scroll through the results to locate the movie file you wish to watch. When you find it, click on the file name. Google Drive will open a preview pane, giving you a look at the video file you selected. This preview is a great feature that allows you to verify that it's the correct movie, and at a quick glance check the file's details like the type and size, ensuring it's ready for playback. Now to watch the movie, go ahead and press the play button located in the preview pane's bottom section. Google Drive's built-in media player will start playing the video. You can use the playback controls to adjust the volume, enable full screen, and also seek through the video track. The interface is intuitive, much like other media players, so you should feel right at home navigating it. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to watching movies using Google Drive. Remember, Google Drive supports various video file formats, but it's always best to ensure your movie file is compatible for smooth playback. This method is particularly useful for accessing your video library from any device with internet access without needing additional software. Just ensure that you stay within your storage limits and, if needed, optimize file sizes or organize your library so everything is easy to find. Enjoy your movie time.